everyone. Today we are going to be closing out our paycheck budget number 1 for August because paycheck budget number 2 is coming. Actually, it's hit already today. So we'll be back with that. I know we had a lot of different videos on here. So I know back to budgeting, which is always the basis of this channel. So all my budgeters, here we're back, your favorite bubble bay. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. I hope this necklace isn't messing with y'all, so I'm going to try and push it back a little bit. All right, y'all. So let's get into the budget. So here's our paycheck number 1 row. We're going to start here. This was already green. So the goal of this video is to make sure everything is marked off in green, which means it went through the bank. If it is not, then we roll it over into the next check, and we're trying to get ourselves down to a zero-based budget. So here, anything in peach or white means that it did not clear at the time of when we first allocated out our check. So let's go. Apple storage, as you can see right here. Apple storage came out of the bank. This is the bank over here. Apple storage did come out, so we can go ahead and mark that with a green. And then I see $1 came out for Navy Federal. So we can mark that off with green. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully well. It's almost Friday. It's almost my birthday is on Sunday, and I took the Friday off. So I'm excited that today is kind of my Friday. And 7067 is for our Advantage for my student loan, and there it is. It came through the bank, so it's also green. We have $40 Cash App. Whoop whoop! Shout out to my girl Patricia Moore. This is the money she sent me. I did end up moving it. You'll see it's $40 in and $40 out. So I'm not going to. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna. Maybe. All right, I might. So I'm gonna add it over here, plus $40, and I'm gonna leave myself a note, like y'all know I like to do. Move your face, girl. And that's $40 B-Day money. Patricia, who just won't tell me her birthday. She just won't tell me. Patricia, I know you saw my comment. I know you saw me asking. Then we'll have to take it back out and we'll put it in birthday, I guess. That we'll say that we got birthday money. Is that coming in or out? Yeah, that would be out. I didn't actually put it in birthdays. So that's not true. That would be incorrect information. So let me take it out of birthday. I believe where I moved it was treat myself. And so do I have a treat? Yep. So I actually moved that into treat yourself, and I will make sure to leave my note. Insert note, $40 B-Day. And that can be green as well because that move has gone in and out of the bank. So it's, yeah, I think we're good now because we're back down to 0. Okay. So, excuse me. We have $233.50, which is half of my car payment loan, $233.50, and so that's green. Then we have $120 in and out. I'm not going to do those. They zero each other out. This is basically just me taking out money for gas and giving. 100 for gas, 20 for giving. That's what that was, girl. We didn't do no kind of cash stuffing or nothing this month, y'all. August has just been amazing. Like my August has been great. It's been fly by night. I've gone to friends, booked me trips to go visit them, help do some things. I have been up and down. I have not been tracking though, and I've just been not. Is that an answer? That's how I feel. I've just not been not. And so come September, I've already got an idea for Save Something September is going to be the goal. I need to get my butt back into saving. A lot of things we're talking about, the selling of the house has just brought a lot of things to mind for me and where I want my stuff to go. Then I have a behind the scenes project that I've been working on. This is why I've started to add the planning back in. I know some of y'all are not going to want to care about the planning stuff, but for me in my life, I need to add it back in because of organization. I feel like the Lord is blessing me with so many different things right now, or so many ideas in my head that I have to get them down on paper. I have to start executing them properly and stewarding my time and money and resources correctly. And so I feel like planning is going to help me. Shout out to Monique over at Madura Budgets that kind of like brought it back to my mind. y'all know, if y'all been here for a while, I've been planning. And I even tried to switch to digital, but there's something about pen and paper. Okay, we're not here for that. We'll talk about that in another video. Moving right along, just had to let y'all know. So the 120 zeroed each other out, and the 40 also zeroed each other out from the money. So we talked about that already. We have 564.22. These are all payments to the credit card. So this actually paid I think the car insurance. So let's get our handy dandy calculator out. And that car insurance would be, we're at the what? Where's my 5 something? Okay. We're at 173.89, which is the car insurance. I think it also paid the electric, 171. Plus, I think it paid the AC, 219.33 plus 219. Yeah, 562.44. So that covered all of those, and they get paid on the credit card. Just we can get some points, and then I pay them right back out of the operating account. So these all got paid, so they can be marked off in green. Y'all, just took my braids out, hence my hair looking a little crazy. Apologies, but it is what it is, y'all. $22, that came out for the car registration. Car is registered, stickers on the car, baby. The car thing is signed off in the car. Amen. Nothing to worry about. Always do it earlier. Always do it online. That's just my personal opinion. I don't have to worry about going in anywhere. Okay, 5763. This accidentally actually came out of this account, and you'll see that at the top. So 5763 came out. You see where I moved money back in. This 5763 was to cover the Moterm and the paper that I bought for my Moterm. And I used some points. That's why it was a little bit cheaper, because I'm gonna always use my points to make anything cheaper for my credit card. But I meant to pay this out of Treat Yourself, because that's where I put the money from Patricia. But instead, I put it out of my operating account. Luckily for me, I checked my operating account like every other day, and I was like, girl, that didn't work out. Something isn't right. So I ended up moving to the 763 from Treat Yourself. Does it say that? Yep, from Treat Yourself back into here, to make sure that I could cover my what is that called? My internet bill that hadn't come out yet. Thankfully, I checked in enough time before that bill came out. Got to be careful. So anyway, 5763 was paid, and that was for a credit card charge that's on the credit card, which I am paying and monitoring. Don't worry, y'all. Hopefully by the time we get back together in September, they will all be at zero. 4621 is the water bill. And I'm not doing anything with that because it basically is an in and out, because it really shouldn't have came out this account. 4621 is the water bill that did come out, so we're going to have mark that green. $25 is the phone bill. We're going to ahead and mark that green. This is my story. So okay, this is 7012. Nah, I was about to. This is my story. This is my song. 7012 is what's left. So you'll see there's a balance of 7211 here, right? We won't go above that because that's money coming in for the next paycheck. So let's talk about that money. We paid our $25. We had $72.11 left over right here as our balance. We still need to pay $70.12, which they told me they took out. So it's probably going to hit today or tomorrow. So we're going to leave that money alone. And we have $1.99, which makes total sense because our original buffer was what? $1.99. So we're going to go ahead and move our $1.99, which we were able to save. Didn't spend any of our $1.99. Thank you, Lord. And we're going to move that into other, which is going to go into Kill a Bill. Put my equal to make sure it is a formula. It's $1.99. We don't have tons of money this month. And then that should leave us with a balance of the $70 and oh, I need to move that out. Take this out of the buffer because we moved it up. We're back down to zero. So let's go ahead and transfer over. We got money because we got paid. Yeah. We're going to transfer over to Kill a Bill. Every little bit helps, right? $1.99. And we're getting there. So Kill a Bill August 1, paycheck 1 rollover, $1.99 is going. Transfer success. So we should only have the $70 and some change left over from this $72.11, which is going to cover. I hope I made sense when I did that. So if we have $72.11 and we move over $1.99, we have $70.12 left, which is the total of what is left for this here bill. which they did take out. So we're not moving this money out. They just have it just not showing in the bank yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my rollover. I'm going to move $70.12 right there to next month's check or next week's check or this check. And then I'm going to move that out of here, and I'm going to move 70.12 into buffer rollover down the bottom so that we can go back to zero anytime now. Okay, buffer rollover went rollover 70.12, and we will leave a note. Where are you? We rolled over to next to August pay number 2. Okay? Okay. Now we're at a what? Zero base budget. Zero base budget. Zero, 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 zero base budget. We did it. We did it, y'all. We did it. And we'll come back and we'll talk about all the money that came in. And it was a nice little surprise. I was like, what's this extra money? But I forgot that my job gives you birthday money, which is so nice. Because before they like do other things, I'm like, no, give me the money. Give me the money. I need the money. Huh? Anyway, that is us. We're at zero. Our paycheck is closed. Everything that needed to clear has cleared. Grateful for that. So I will see you guys at the next video. I hope your August is going well. I know I've been watching some of y'all. Some of it's tight. Some of it's good. Some of y'all have extra magic paychecks, and some of y'all are like, where's the magic? Either way, it's my birthday month, so I'm going to have a good time regardless. Okay, I'm not really doing too much for my birthday for all that are asking like last year, but I may be considering doing something later on in the year when it's cooler, because right now it's a little too hot for you, girl. I don't want to be out there walking and stuff. So, but I'm still gonna probably go out to lunch or dinner or something like that. Yeah. And I'm back home now because I was away helping a friend with something else. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I love you. Mean it. Bye.